I'm going to share with you an incredible performance from Bill Malone. Some of the most incredible performers in the world perform right here at the P3 Magic Theater, and Bill Malone is one of them. He's incredibly entertaining and an amazing technician with a deck of cards. Let's take a look at him performing his effect, ripping the twos in front of a packed house.
Let me show you guys a trick. Would you like to see a trick? Let me show you a little trick. Okay, thank you. 2 people. Okay. And there was a few at home, I guess, that applauded too and probably woke up the neighbors. But, you know, I've been thinking about this lecture for a long time, and I talked it over with my wife, and I said, what can I do for these guys at Penguin Magic? They must know every trick in existence. And so my wife said, well, what do you want to do? I said, well, I like to start where somebody just thinks of a card. Let's say it's a 2 of spade, and I'm able to find that card. She says, can you do that? I said, no. She said, so it's probably not a good way to start that. She said, those guys are much better than that. I said, come on, they're penguins, honey. So anyway, so I thought, well, maybe if I didn't do that, maybe instead of finding, maybe they could pick a card, and instead of finding the card, I could just throw out the mate to that card. I said that they'd probably applaud for that. No, she said, no, they won't. She says, maybe a couple in the front that feel sorry for you, yeah. She said, it's got to be something cool. Remember, Bill, when you talked about something visual? That's the way to go. So I said, okay, honey, maybe if I took the 2 black 2s, and maybe if I just rubbed them and changed them into 2 red 2s. I said, maybe that would be. I said, maybe that would get it. No. My wife said, no, Bill. She said, they're still just, they're the people from Penguin. You got to be better than that. They know a lot of stuff. I said, okay, so let me just start over. So here's what I came up with. And anyway, I hope you enjoy it. What I would do is I'd start off by producing a black 2 for no reason whatsoever. Then I would just cut the card, show them a real cool way to produce another 2. Then I said, I know, I will show them a trick with those 2 cards. So I would take the 2 cards and I would show them like this, the 2 of clubs and the 2 of spade. Then I would ask the question, if I put the 2 of spade, sir, which one's on top? Unbelievable, that's right. But look if I just rub that 2 on the bottom, that 2 changes into a red 2, the 2 of hearts. And if I take the top 2, the 2 of clubs, and I give it a stroke, if you know what I mean, and I think you do, that changes to another red 2, the 2 of diamonds. Now to get the black 2s out of the deck, all I do is this, and better yet, I'll just rub these. These will turn black. That'll get them. That would be something they'd really, really like. But no. Stop it. I figured, all this is really good, but it's kind of going nowhere. So what would you really do? And then I said, okay, I got an idea. What I'll do is I'll take the 2 of hearts, and what do you guys think would happen if I ripped that card in half? I'd put it back together. That's usually the answer. But this time I'll show you. It's the same thing if I took a black 2 like this and I ripped it, I'd drop it. No, so it's all part of the act. Hold on. I'll get it. Ooh, what is that? Oh, okay, all right. Anyway, I would get aces, and then I'd take the other 2 and rip those, and I'd get aces, and maybe they would enjoy that. Thank you. Thank you very much.
That trick is not only amazing, but Bill tips all of the fine details that make it so memorable. Be sure to check out the rest of his live lecture, where he shares not only amazing magic tricks, but also incredible stories from his time in the Chicago bar scene and his time with Ed Marlowe. Also, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we put up more uncut performances like this. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.